At Intense, we don't just make ink. We engineer it for precision, safety, and artistry. Intenze maintains a stable and consistent supply of tattoo ink, proudly made in the USA. Every batch is produced in our ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 22716 certified facility, ensuring precision, reliability, and performance. Our tattoo ink is formulated using high-quality pigments and undergoes rigorous testing to meet the strictest regulatory requirements. While other companies use pre-dispersions in their ink, we mill our ingredients. Every bottle is sterilized in a third-party facility, guaranteeing safety and consistency for artists worldwide. Designed for versatility, Intenze ink is trusted across all tattoo styles, from bold traditional work to intricate black and gray realism. With deep saturation, smooth application, and lasting vibrancy, our ink meets the demands of professional tattooing. Intenze is more than just a supplier. We're a company committed to the future of tattooing. As the first tattoo ink brand to invest in independent safety testing, we continue to lead the industry in compliance, innovation, and transparency. Our commitment to excellence extends beyond our products. Through our Factory Direct program, we offer artists exclusive pricing, fast delivery, and direct access to the highest quality ink straight from the source. We believe that quality ink is about more than color. It's about trust. A trust that's built through consistency, safety, and performance.